Alright, well, we have a house. There's the back door, shed, fire pit. My kids are back there somewhere. Rachel's back there sweeping off her clubhouse. Come on, why don't you guys go down the slide? I take a video.
I'm almost done.
Okay. Oh, they left the kids' trucks and everything.
Yeah.
Whoops. Let me get that out of the way.
I'm not ready yet.
Oop.
Today I will be showing you how to go down this red slide.
Okay.